Everything sports related. Breaking news, fantasy advice, score updates, weekly thoughts, and more. This is the Sports Juice Network.
What's going on, Sports Juice Network? What's going on, Juice Tribe? Listen, we're back at it with another video. Now, again, coronavirus is still here. Quarantine stuff is pretty much out the window. Lockdown's pretty much out the window. But I have a special video for you today for my Ram 1500. No, it's not about sports. I'm sorry. Again, the only sports that are officially back right now is literally the UFC. The NBA is coming back, and NFL say they have plans to move forward. But despite everything that's going on in the country right now, I just had to put out another video for you guys because it's been a while. Sorry, it's kind of hot in here. So today, I'm going to be testing out some LED reverse light bulbs for my Ram 1500. Anyone who has a Ram, I believe 2015 and up or 2016 and up, we all know the system sucks when it comes to LED bulbs. If you put anything LED related in your truck, you will get an error message code on the dash, and it will be like error bulb out when the bulb is really on. The reason being, LED lights doesn't put out a high frequency like the halogen bulbs does, and it just caused the system to feel like there's nothing there. I've been doing a lot of research. I've watched Boosted Motorsports on YouTube. Shout out to him. I've watched every video that you can possibly think of in order to find the right light bulbs for my Ram. Now, I used to have LED reverse bulbs in it, but again, I got sick and tired of the error message code, so I had to let it go. I decided to find this company called SuperBrightLEDs.com. Great company. Bulbs were super inexpensive. I think I paid $10 for the total of 2 bulbs, so it was very, very cheap. And from what I can tell, people love them, they work well, and there's a Canbus system inside of the light bulbs that turns off the error decode message on your dash. So today's video is just going to be an install of how I'm going to get these LED bulbs in my truck. So stay tuned, baby. Let's go. I forgot to mention to you guys that I actually put some aftermarket tail lights on my truck. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into the install. I got my brother who's going to help me today. He helps me in all my truck install videos. Okay, so he claims he does it. I do it. But here's the package right here. Like I said, SuperBrightLEDs.com. You open it up. That's how it comes right there. It's just the two bulbs right here, nice and easy. So I'm gonna take these out and let you guys see what they look like. Apparently, I'm not supposed to get an error decode message on here, okay? So we're gonna see what this is about. Okay, so this is the bulb right here. It's a 360 all the way around, and it's supposed to be super, super bright and white. First things first, in order to get started, there are gonna be 2 bolts on the truck. That's gonna require a T25 tool to get them off. So we're gonna go ahead and start by doing that. Chop, chop now. I don't pay you for nothing.
You don't pay me at all.
Oh, sorry. Excuse my bed of my truck, it kind of got dirty. I had to put some mowing stuff back here, but hey, where'd you put the, okay. Yeah.
You wanna come with me when I dyno my car?
No, I don't.
Wednesday? See how much power it is.
So in order to get this tail light out, what you're gonna do is there are gonna be 2 tabs that you just gotta pull out. He doesn't like to do it because he thinks he's gonna break my truck. Okay, never mind, he did it. I'll take that back.
Which one am I pulling off?
It's the bottom one.
Yeah, I broke it.
All right, if you broke it, you're gonna have to pay for it. I'm just be honest with you.
Oh, come out the housing.
That dog scared me. When you get the bulb out, it's gonna look like this, just a little ugly looking halogen bulb, but we're gonna take this out. All you gotta do is squeeze and pull. Be careful because you would shatter this and it would shatter glass in your hand. He knows all about that.
Talk about.
Because when you did my fog lights, or my license plate lights, you remember you shattered it in the housing?
I did?
Yeah, smart guy.
Oh yeah, I remember because I had to take it out too.
All right, so it pops in like this, nice and easy. We're gonna go ahead and install it. We're gonna give it a test before we bolt it back to see if I get a error code. So usually when you started, you will get the error decode message on the dash. I didn't get anything, so I'm curious to see what's gonna happen once I put it in reverse. Okay, so stand by. Just please don't hit me.
Are they on?
Yep.
Are they bright?
Yep. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, those look good. I like that. I like that because it matches my light at the top, my third brake light. We're good. All right, guys. So we noticed that one thing happened that when we actually put the second light bulb in, we actually got an error code message out. So back to the drawing board, it seems like. Again, I'm gonna keep these in for a little bit just to see if I drive around, maybe they'll go off, but you'll see right here Parking brakes engaged. And then it's gonna say backup light out. See, so we're still getting that backup light out, even though the lights are on. The lights are on, but it's gonna say backup light out, and you're just gonna get that message every single time. It's kind of frustrating, it's kind of annoying. That's why I changed it out the second time I did this. But I'm not gonna take anything from Super Bright LEDs because they're a great company, and I mean, when I ordered it, it came within 2 days. So I'm not really mad about that. But back to the drawing board I go. And if you are a Ram owner and you have LED lights for your truck, you don't have a 2019, let me know. Drop a comment in the descriptions or drop a comment down below so I can go order those, because that light's gonna frustrate me. Again, I got those lights from Super Bright LED. And thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yo!